Hello and welcome to another uMake tutorial. My name is Nico, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about the uMake playground. The playground can be found over in the side panel under the little icon for the rocking horse. And what is the playground? Well, the playground is essentially your content library for pre-made models to help you get started in creating in uMake. We have categories that range from primitives to fashion, architecture and transportation, products and characters, concept and environments, and then models from the studio or the design kits that you can find, in addition to your own files. So if you have a file that you would want to bring in to another file, you use the My Files feature here. If you tap on any of these categories, for example primitives, you'll have some subcategories that you can go into. I'm going to go into the 3D primitives here, and you'll see that I have some grayed out icons and some icons that are not so grayed out. This sphere, for example, is a little brighter than the other ones. It means that I've already downloaded this model and I can drag it into my canvas. So if I want to drag a pyramid into my canvas, I'll simply tap on the pyramid, wait for it to download, and then drag it onto my canvas. I now have a pyramid that I can start using to create. Selecting any of the objects from the playground will select the whole object, and you should know that they are already grouped. So all objects from the playground are grouped. This makes it easy to move them and to work with them. But if you want to edit them for any reason, you'll need to come in and tap Ungroup over in the side menu right here. So I'm going to tap Ungroup, and now I can select, let's see, tap Ungroup one more time. Now I can select the various individual curves or surfaces in order to edit them. So if I want to edit this, for example, I can edit this curve, add a point here, and now I can start getting something a little bit different than the original model. So you can use objects from the playground to help you get started with something very quickly, and that's kind of the whole goal. We have models such as vehicles to help you if you want to do like an architectural scene with some cars. We have some propellers and jet engines for transportation. Under architecture, we have some furniture that you can use and some structural elements, as well as one of my favorite, which is 2D people. So if you want to drag a person into your scene, just a 2D person, you can do that. She's about to scale with a small pyramid, and you can double tap and scale and use your various functions to move, scale, rotate, etc. any of these objects. One last thing, if you have files that you have created and you want to bring them into another model that you're working on, simply go to My Files. You'll get this little warning message saying that it looks like not all of your files are opened. Tap OK. And now any of the files I've worked on in the past are able to be brought in. So if I want to bring in, for example, this car wheel, I can tap on it and it will bring in that wheel into my scene. You'll see that the scale is a little bit different than what I was working on, but I now have that wheel in my scene and I can continue to work with it. When it's brought into this scene, it by default is grouped as well. I can come over and tap Ungroup, and now I have the various elements that I can work with as well. So that's about it on how to work with and play with the playground. If you have any questions or feedbacks or comments for us, feel free to let us know on our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter channels. We can't wait to see what you create and uMake. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.